Welcome to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? This is your go-to source for practical advice and support when considering if a divorce is the right answer for you. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll uncover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore the emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here is your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Welcome to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? The podcast where we unravel the intricate threads of relationships and considering whether or not to get a divorce. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, and today we're going to discuss diving into the digital realm to explore that potential impacts of social media on a divorce case. In the age of technology, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It's everywhere. However, what many may not realize is the significant role it can play in the context of divorce proceedings. So let's examine some of these potential impacts. One of the most immediate impacts is the potential use of social media as evidence. Posts, photos, and messages can all be fair game in a divorce case. If you're in the midst of a divorce, it's critical to be mindful of what you share online. Courts may consider social media content when making decisions related to child custody, spousal maintenance, and property division. Privacy is a precious commodity, and it's essential to safeguard it during a divorce. Be cautious about sharing personal details or discussing your case on social media. What you say online can be used against you, so it is wise to think twice before hitting that post button. Social media can also impact your reputation during a divorce. Courts may take into account your online behavior when assessing your character, responsibility, and fitness as a parent. Remember, perception matters, and what you portray online can influence the court's perception of you. The emotional toll of divorce is significant, and it's natural to seek support from friends and family. However, airing grievances or discussing the details of your case on social media may not be the best course of action. Not only can it potentially harm your case, but it can also strain relationships. Co-parenting is a delicate dance, and social media can complicate matters. Posting about your ex-spouse or sharing information about your children without their consent can lead to disputes and added stress. Consider establishing clear boundaries and communication protocols to protect everyone involved. It's not just what you post, but also what your friends and family post that can have an impact. Courts may consider the online behavior of those in your social circle. Encourage your friends and family to be discreet and avoid posting anything that could reflect poorly on you. As we wind down, the potential impacts of social media on divorce case are significant, from evidence in court to the court of public opinion. What you share online can have lasting consequences. During this challenging time, it's essential to exercise caution, maintain privacy, and think strategically about your online presence. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? Should you have any questions on this topic or other financial planning issues, feel free to contact me. My information's in the description. I'm a financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. I'm always happy to help. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Take care of yourself.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? With Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. And remember to subscribe, like, and follow.